Okay, so I'm standing in front of this beautiful home here in Concord. We actually just closed on this home right now, okay, so it's off the market, but I came back when I was doing my inspection here. I decided to make a video because if you like older homes with some antiquity to it, this is a beautiful home. I want to show you the inside. They don't make them like this anymore, so let's go check this out. Okay, so here's the exterior of the home. It's like almost like a two-car garage. We'll check that out here in a minute. By the way, while I'm here, I want to say this is courtesy of Matt here. Matt's a real nice guy. He helped us out by putting all this offer together for us. It made it a win-win-win for everyone. So if you're in Concord, be sure to give him a call. And here's the home. So let's go upstairs. I think it was built in 1939, I think it is. I didn't bring the flyer with me, but that's the time frame anyway. So as soon as you walk in, you got a nice spacious foyer here. Take your shoes off here, the doorbell there, and look at this. I mean, the architecture of how everything was made back in the 30s, you can still see it here in the home. Original wood floors, original fireplace, dining area. I love the cabinetry here. You can see the cabinets, original knobs as well. Now there's not central heating. It's actually a floor heater here. Actually, it might be. Let me see if I remember correctly, but we'll check that out in a minute. Here's the kitchen. I mean, look at the detail here. How cool is that? Little air vents. You know, there you got the original tile still. Original cabinets. Stove and refrigerator, of course, are newer. Walk in here. Check out this. Look at these doorknobs. Original doors. Bunch of keys. I think it's 3 bedrooms. Very spacious as well. The bathroom here is kind of cool. I don't know if this was redone. But yeah, I could tell that's obviously a newer sink, but I don't know about the tile here. But if it's original or put it on, it could be original because I can see a few minor cracks in there, just normal wear and tear. Here's the other bedroom. And here's the back room. Now this is somewhat of a bedroom slash type of study area because there's no closet here, but then it connects right to a bedroom over here. So I was looking for the floor vents. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure it's not central heat or central air. I know there's no AC, so it has to be probably just regular heating. But that's the home here, you know. And again, the windows. So let's go back out this way one more time. Take another quick tour. And I think when we go downstairs, then because there's also another. Well, you know what? Let me go out this way. I can go out the back way because I was going out the front, but. Go out the back way, because I have to go down there anyway. So there's also a basement. You can actually make it a separate living quarters if you want. And see how that looks. I'll show you that. Mr. Squirrel. So this is the backyard here. Before I open the door down here, let me show you the backyard area here. It's quaint, but it's very nice. You got, you know, not flower pots. What do you call those? Planters here for vegetables and stuff. You could probably do some other stuff back here too, but it's a nice backyard. Let me show you in here. So, as we enter the basement, now the ceiling's a little lower because I'm 6 feet. By another foot, you got 7 feet ceilings. Mostly they're 8 feet standard, but I have no idea what's in here. It's like in here. Oh, okay, this is the garage. There we go. So you can see it's a 2-car garage. You can fit 2 cars in here, but it's just a little differently. So you come this way. You got a washer and dryer down here too. So this is, without using the cliche, it does have a lot of possibilities because of the fact the way it's laid out. I'm not a contractor, but you could do certain things here to actually make it work. because it's a very, it goes under the whole house, so it's still very spacious down here as well. Check out, and this is another thing I like. This is the original window. Look at how they made it back. I don't know if you can, it's kind of dark in there. Let me see if we can lighten that up. Probably not. But anyway, can I put my hand there? Oh, I don't know if there's spiders in there or anything, but these are the regular weights, the actual weights that would be used when you open the window. I guess the weight comes down and holds the window up. Then what you do is you pull it back up. This one's missing one, okay, but yeah, and I thought back then it was like, high tech. Today it's a whole different system, but I thought it was pretty cool too. So there you go. If you appreciate the antiquity of the home, the originality of the home, this is it. It's very original. Everything goes back to like the 1930s, back to when I guess my grandfather was the kid. And my wife, she's a little bit more modern. She's not into the whole, original homes or the older homes. She wants something like new development. Well, not very new, but a little bit more updated. And by the way, this is a great neighborhood because you go down that way, actually, and you go out to the front again. So, as I was saying about the neighborhood, if you go out here, if I remember correctly, this way, there's a church on that side, and it goes more into Inner Concord, and over here, you got downtown. I remember there's actually a BART station there, I recall, and that's where you just, not even, you can walk it to the BART station if you have to take the BART to go to work. Can't be more convenient than this. So, there you go. Beautiful home. I like it. Hopefully you guys liked it too.